The way I would describe my experience with the law firm is prestigious, ambitious, professionalism, consistency, and just the facts. Just the facts. My name is Senior Airman Airman Hicks. I'm in the United States Air Force. I'm a Security Forces member, so that's another word for military police, and I've been in for over 6 years. I'm a married man, married to a beautiful wife. Her name is Samantha Hicks. I have one son and one daughter on the way. What were the underlying facts? Me driving a vehicle under the influence while it was parked in my driveway. Why did I seek a civilian lawyer? The reason I seek the civilian lawyer is just because of the simple fact of the timeline that I was facing. I had a lot of pressure on me, getting my family out of here. We were PCSing at the time. So I made the initiative to seek out a civilian lawyer because I knew that a civilian lawyer would actually put the pressure on finding my innocence. Why did I choose the law office of Will Helixon? Well, for starters, I actually went on their website. The website was just magnificent. Seen all the biographies and the reviews, and I knew that were the people for me. How did they conduct their initial consultation? So for starters, Will Helixon, he picked up the phone. Abruptly, I explained to him the situation, and he was right there in my corner, and it was great. After the initial call, I felt very relieved, me knowing that somebody was going to be there and have my back, and somebody that is there for the soldiers and not just there for easy money. Who worked on my case? The person that worked on my case was Mary Ritzman. For starters, Mary, when I very first talked to her, she was very kind-hearted. She knew what I was going through. She's actually was in the military, so she already knows the stresses and everything. And I felt very confident and comfortable with her and her ability. I was very prepared in the sense of knowing that I had all the facts. Mary, she gave everything she had, and I had no doubt in my mind that she would prove me and my innocence. What was the final outcome of my case? I was found not guilty under Article 113 DUI. It was very, very relieved. It was a stress off my back. It gave me a second chance knowing that it wouldn't be on my personal record, and another chance at a brighter future. How did I feel after my experience with the law firm? Honestly, I want to give kudos to them. They did the best job, bigger than my expectations. And if I was ever to get in any trouble, hopefully not, I would definitely be giving them a call, and I would recommend them to any and everybody that actually needs help. What is the difference with working with a civilian lawyer versus a military lawyer? So for a military lawyer, I know they have limitations to what they can do and what they can go out and find, but with a civilian lawyer, they have no limits. They can do whatever. They actually have time to do everything. They don't hassle you if you have any questions, concerns, or if you need this done. They have no limits. If I had any final thoughts for anybody that is seeking or needing a law firm, I would definitely suggest Will's Law Firm, just because of the simple fact of all the people they have, the consistency, the facts, and how they fight for our war heroes.